What's good, everybody? We back with another video. It's been a minute. Finally getting back out here, getting some work done. I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on right now. I got a 700-foot driveway that I'm putting down, and I'm putting in a culvert right in here where this water is washing the dirt out. I'm doing a turnaround spot right there and a turnaround spot on the other side of the tree. And what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to take this machine and I'm about to clean out this little area so they can put their pool right here. All right, as y'all can see, I done got this tree line pushed back about 8 feet or so, 8 to 10 foot or so, just to get from over top this pool. I say it still got a good bit of shade in certain areas, but just so leaves and limbs won't be falling in the pool. So I got this pushed back. What I'm about to do next, I'm about to put this culvert in. If you can tell, water washes all in here, comes all the way down, and it stops about right there, and then it just puddles up. So what I'm about to do is, since it puddles up right here, I'm about to set the back end of the culvert here, and it's going to drain straight across the road. As y'all can see, this area here too, it holds water. So I'm gonna also have the other end of the cover going straight in here. So all this from here on in here, and then from across the road into the same ditch. right, folks, what I got going on here, I dug this road out, put this cover down. Water runs off the main road. It drips down to this side and it sits out there. I dug a trench all the way back midway to where the hill start. It's gonna run all the way down. It's gonna catch inside of this culvert. Then on this other side, I'm gonna put a bag-o spot. I'm gonna put a piece of pipe in there, and all that water from that side of that hill is gonna tape off. It's gonna tape off the side of this driveway into the ditch, and it's gonna tape off the side of that hill on the yard into the ditch, and it's gonna drain